When it comes to home security systems, if you're looking for a burglar alarm system, you're looking for a security company that you can trust, I'm standing with Lenny from Keystone Protective Services. You're helping homeowners throughout Bucks, Montgomery County, as well as Philadelphia, put in cost-effective systems. Come to learn, these systems have evolved in a big way. Tell me about some of the more advanced systems that are being offered to homeowners.
Let's say, for example, you want to open up your door from your office, you're in Hawaii or wherever you are, you go right to your cell phone with your security system, hit an app, and you can open up your front door, you can make your thermostat go up or down, you can put your lights on, you can do everything remote control, including looking at your home with a camera, all from any smart device. Cell phone, laptop, iPad, you can put your alarm system on. If it went off, it'll tell you what went off. They'll send either a text message, email. Before Central Station calls you, you'll know what happened at your home.
Tell me what a typical home costs.
So our systems start around $99 and up. Some of those systems for $99 are like lease systems. Purchase systems start around $299 up. Gives you basic home security. A couple doors, 2-3 doors, a motion, keypad, panel, siren, and then give you a backup battery, lawn signs and decals. It's a complete package. We'll give you a radio for another additional $99, which means that you have the most advanced technology for under $200.
There's a monitoring part of it that also needs to be part of your home security strategy. You just can't hope that your system's working at all times. You need someone that, if there is a problem, that they can respond.
So our systems self-check every 5 seconds with Central Station. Phone lines can be outside, can be cut, and then your system is rendered useless to Central Station. It's got to reach outside for outside help. How does it reach Central Station? Either by a phone line, a networking line for your internet service provider, or radio system. We use both. We use internet and we use radio. Those systems are infallible. Well, your system checks into Central Station every 5 seconds. I'm working. The moment that system does not check in, we look at it, we analyze it, something happened. No, we didn't do anything. We know we have a problem. But those systems work 24/7.
You have these home security people, they're trying to install their own home security system. And it has cameras and you see the person breaking in, walking out with your TV, and there's nothing you can do about it because you're 20 miles away at work. And it's over. And you think you're gonna capture that guy or you're gonna find him and he's long gone.
All the burglar alarm system is perimeter. You wanna get that perimeter prior to entry. Because we tell most people when we sell an alarm system, where would you like to meet the burglar if you're upstairs sleeping? Right. You want to meet at the bottom of your stairwell? Right. Or you want to see him running away from your front door going bye-bye? Because the concept is the perimeter of that property is your boundary. That's your domain, that's your area. Don't violate that perimeter. And that's what we install. There is no do-it-yourself alarm system out there that guard the perimeter as professional systems. They don't make them for do-it-yourselfers.
You got into personal security and helping people understand how they can use technology to help. Tell me about that.
We offer medical alert systems, GPS systems, for example, for your loved ones or your parents. And we offer systems they can put a pendant around their neck, on their wrist, and then that monitors them in the house if they fall. If they leave the property, it'll tell us where they're at. Because if they get lost, we know where they're at, we can track them down, including your vehicle, any personal assets that you have. For example, a gun cabinet opening, door opening, or a gun disappearing, we put a tag on it. Anything that you have, we can monitor that as an asset.
You've given us a lot of great information. I appreciate you taking the time. I look forward to recommending Keystone Protective Services to anyone looking for burglar alarm systems, fire alarm systems, even just any type of home security system. Great call, Lenny. Thanks again.
Thank you very much.